Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming service. Make sure your carrier supports visual voicemail, or you'll enable conditional call forwarding to the carrier voicemail number. Next, install Google Voice or the built-in visual voicemail app. This gives the iPhone style list view. You enter your phone number, verify via code, and set a voicemail PIN if prompted. Once done, open the app and grant microphone and call permissions so audio and message fetching work. That gets you into the first actionable setup phase quickly and cleanly. Now you configure how it behaves. Record a clear, concise greeting, say who you are and a callback request, because transcription needs intelligible audio. In Settings, enable voicemail transcription, push notifications, and choose whether to autoplay new messages. If you use Google Voice, link your carrier number and forward calls. If using the phone's app, assign it as the default voicemail handler. Make sure message storage and background data are allowed, so messages sync reliably. This is why you granted permissions earlier. Finish by testing. Call your number from another device and leave a message. Then open the app to confirm you see a visual list, playback controls, and a transcript. If you don't, first toggle the app's permissions and background data, then check conditional call forwarding codes. Disable and re-enable them if needed. Restart your phone and update the app. If issues persist, contact your carrier to verify visual voicemail support and correct voicemail routing. That single check often resolves persistent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.